Hello my beautiful glam style family, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing today. My name is Araceli, and in this channel you're going to find home decor, DIYs, fashion, beauty, and so much more. And in today's video I'm so excited to be sharing with you two very elegant and glamorous DIYs to make your home look so beautiful and glam any time of the year. So without a further ado, here it goes. A very glamorous DIY video at Glam style. For the first DIY, we're gonna need some of this decor pieces that you can find at your local 99-cent store or the Dollar Tree. I got this at the 99-cent store for only $5.99. We are also going to be needing a star screwdriver and some of this wooden sticks that you can find at your local Dollar Tree. And the first thing I did was take them out of the package, and as you can see right here is super easy. All you gotta do is take your screwdriver and remove the little screws in the back, and do the same with the back of the mirror since we're only going to be using the frame. Once you've deassembled them, they're gonna look something like this, and then you're going to want to spray paint them the color of your choice. I chose white, and this is how they look once they're spray painted. Then I brought back my wooden stick just to measure what size I wanted it, and this was fairly simple. All you gotta do is get some scissors and imprint the scissors all around the stick, and then literally just snap the stick. Once you've snapped the stick, you're gonna have like little itty bitty picks, and all you gotta do is get a file and file that up to smooth it out. And once you have your sticks ready, all you're gonna want to do is paint your sticks white, and as you can see I've already painted mine, and we're gonna put those aside and start working on our frame. And for this we're going to be using the same diamond sheet that we used on my last video, and I already went ahead and cut strips of 5 diamonds each. Once you got this ready, all you're going to do is just start sticking them onto the inner rim of our frames. It's super easy, super simple, but it does require a lot of patience, and you'll see why in a minute. And here's a close-up of exactly what I'm doing. Next, we're gonna get our diamond sheet, and we're gonna start cutting strips of 1 diamond each. And when I said patience, this is the part where you need it the most. Once you have all your little strips cut up, all you're going to want to do is start sticking them onto the longest spiral. So every other spiral you're going to want to add your diamond strip, and you're going to want to do this all around the frame. And this is just going to give it that extra wow factor that we're really looking for. Once you're done with that, it's gonna look something like this. And look how beautiful and sparkly this looks. And here's the before and after, and here's all of them 3 together. Now I'm just going to be setting them aside, and I'm going to be bringing in my wooden sticks and my diamond sheet that we used earlier, and I'm going to be cutting it in strips of 5 diamonds each. Now I'm going to be wrapping both of the ends with the diamond strips we previously cut, and I'm going to be doing this twice, making it a total of 10 diamonds long ways in both ends of the stick. And to cover up the ends, I just cut up a 3x3 diamond little square and attached it to both of the ends. And that is it for the sticks. And if you're wondering why I didn't cover up the whole stick with the diamond wrap, I just see it as unnecessary since you're only going to be able to see the ends of the sticks. And here's how everything looks together right before I place it onto my curtains. This is so gorgeous. It just screams glam. And this is the final result. For the second DIY, we're going to be working on this vase, and for this we're going to be needing one of this margarita glass and one of this clear bowls. Both of these items you can find at your local Dollar Tree. And the first thing I did was remove the sticker, and this was very easy. I had no trouble removing the sticker. And then I'm going to be placing my bowl aside and bringing back my margarita glass and my diamond sheet. And we're going to be cutting up the diamond sheet in strips. As you can see, I've already went ahead and cut mine, and I'll explain in detail as I'm going. First, we're going to start adding our diamonds to the rim of the glass, and for this I'm using a 3-row diamond strip, and I'm literally just gluing it all around the rim of the glass. Next, I'm moving on to the body of the glass, and for this one I used a 10-row diamond strip, and I'm just carefully gluing it, making sure that it's straight. Now this part is a little tricky just because the bottom of the glass is a little bit more thinner than the top part. So for this, all you gotta do is make like mini cuts all around the little rhinestone strip, and with that it should be fine. Right above it, I'm going to be adding another rhinestone strip of 5 rows of diamonds, and I'm just gonna go around, and with the leftover I'm going to be finishing up the last part of my margarita glass. Once it's done, this is how it's going to look. Look how beautiful and sparkly this looks. And we are ready to move on to our bowl. For the bowl, it's super easy. All we're gonna do is glue our rhinestone wrap all around the rim of the bowl. And for this, I'm using a 2-row diamond strips. Once you're done, it's gonna look something like this, and we are ready to bring our margarita glass back. With the help of a glue gun, I'm going to be adding some hot glue to the top of my glass, and then I'm going to be placing my bowl right on top. For a stronger hold, you can use Gorilla Glue or E6000. And here's one way that you can use your vase. This wasn't the original idea, but I had this idea while I was working on my vase, and I just think it looks so beautiful, glamorous, and elegant. Moving on to my original idea, here I'm showing you a battery operated tea light candle, and I'm just going to be placing it under my little vase. Next, I'm going to be adding some pearls onto my little bowl. I'm also going to be adding some water. And here I'm showing you this floating tea candles that I got at Amazon, I believe for like $7 or $8. And that is it. And if you stay with me till the end of this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment what was your favorite DIY, and if you're not already part of the Glam Style family, please consider subscribing. I have a ton of videos coming soon. Anyways, I'll see you on the next one. Bye!